These tomatoes look much better than the ones in the supermarket.
They do look very red and juicy today.
I am looking for the firmest ones for my salad.
I usually just grab the first three I see.
That is a big mistake if you want good flavor.
I am Jack. I am not a very professional shopper.
Nice to meet you. I'm Chloe, and I take food very seriously.
Can you tell if this one is ripe enough?
Press it gently near the top to feel the texture.
It feels a bit soft. Is that a bad sign?
For a salad, yes, but for a sauce, it is perfect.
I think I will just make a sandwich today.
Then you should look for the beefsteak tomatoes over there.
Those are huge. They look like small pumpkins.
They're perfect for slices because they're very meaty.
Thank you for the tip. I learned something new.
Are you planning to buy some fruit as well?
I need some apples for my lunch tomorrow.
The Granny Smith apples are very crunchy right now.
I prefer the sweeter ones, like the Royal Gala.
Sweet apples are good for snacks, but sour ones are better for baking.
I definitely do not bake anything complicated.
Cooking is just a matter of following a good script.
My script usually ends with a frozen pizza.
That is quite sad considering we have this fresh market here.
I am trying to change my habits starting today.
That is a very good goal to have.
Should I put these tomatoes in a paper bag?
Yes, paper is better than plastic for fresh produce.
Okay, I have my first three items ready.
Now, I need some fresh basil for my pasta.
This green plant over here smells very strong.
That is actually mint, not basil.
They look very similar to me in this light.
Basil has larger, smoother leaves and a peppery smell.
Oh, you are right. That is much better.
I always buy the whole pot so it lasts longer.
Do you have a big garden at your house?
No, I just keep them on my kitchen windowsill.
I usually forget to water my plants after 2 days.
You just need a little bit of water every morning.
Maybe I should start with something easier, like cactus.
A cactus will not help you with your cooking, Jack.
That is a very valid point for a kitchen.
Look at this rosemary. It goes great with roasted potatoes.
I actually have some potatoes in my bag already.
Are they the small red ones or the large brown ones?
They are the large ones with the rough skin.
Those are great for mashing with some butter and milk.
Now you are making me feel very hungry.
That is the effect of a good farmer's market.
Is it expensive to buy everything fresh like this?
It is sometimes cheaper if you buy what is in season.
I never know what is in season and what is not.
Just look at what they have the most of on the tables.
Right now, there are a lot of oranges and carrots.
Exactly, so those are at their best price today.
I will buy a big bag of carrots then.
You can make a very healthy juice with those.
Or I can just eat them with some hummus.
I want to buy this watermelon for my roommates.
You need to check if it is heavy for its size.
It feels like a giant bowling ball.
Tap it with your knuckles and listen to the sound.
It makes a deep, hollow sound like a drum.
That means it is full of water and very sweet.
You really know all the secrets of grocery shopping.
I spent many years shopping with my grandmother.
She sounds like a very wise woman.
She always told me that good food starts with good soil.
I usually think food starts at the checkout counter.
You need to change your perspective, Jack.
I am trying, but this watermelon is very heavy.
Put it in your cart so you don't hurt your back.
I don't have a cart. I only have this bag.
You can borrow one from the stall owner over there.
That is a good idea. I will be right back.
I will wait here and look at these cucumbers.
Okay, the heavy lifting is done.
These cucumbers are very thin and crispy.
Do they taste different from the thick ones?
The thin ones have fewer seeds and a better crunch.
I will take 2 of those for my salad as well.
Don't forget to wash them before you eat them.
Of course, I always wash my vegetables.
Most people forget that the market is dusty.
I will be very careful with my lunch preparations.
You are becoming a better cook already.
It is all thanks to my new teacher.
I am just happy to help a fellow shopper. Look at the price of these organic eggs.
$6 for a dozen seems a bit high.
They are fresh from the farm this morning.
The ones in the shop are only $3.
But these have much brighter yolks and more protein.
Is there really a big difference in the taste?
Try one fried and you will never go back.
Okay, I will trust your judgment again.
I will take 1 carton for my Sunday breakfast.
I will take one too. I like eggs on toast.
Use some of that basil we found earlier for the garnish.
That sounds like something from a fancy restaurant.
Little details make the meals special, Jack.
I'm starting to enjoy this shopping trip.
It is like a treasure hunt for the best flavors.
I used to hate shopping because of the long lines.
Here, the lines are short and the people are friendly.
Everyone seems to be in a very good mood today.
The sun is shining and the food is fresh.
That is a perfect combination for a Saturday.
We should check the honey stand before we leave.
I love local honey. It helps with my allergies.
It is also much better for your tea than sugar.
I prefer the dark honey. It has a stronger taste.
That is the wildflower honey. It is very rich.
Look at the little bees on the label.
The farmer who sells it is very passionate about bees.
I like supporting small businesses like this.
It makes the food feel more personal.
I agree with you completely, Chloe.
Oh, they are giving out samples of goat cheese.
I have never tried goat cheese before.
It is very creamy and a little bit salty.
Wow, that is actually delicious.
It goes perfectly with some fresh bread and honey.
I need to find a bakery stall now.
There's one right at the end of this row.
I can smell the fresh sourdough from here.
Sourdough is the best choice for your cheese.
I will buy a whole loaf and share it with my friends.
They will be very impressed with your choices today.
I will tell them I found everything myself.
Don't worry, I won't tell them the truth.
Your secret is safe with me too.
What other secrets do you have, Jack?
I actually don't know how to boil an egg properly.
That is a very big secret for a man with fresh eggs.
Put them in cold water and wait for 10 minutes?
Put them in boiling water for exactly 6 minutes for soft-boiled.
6 minutes exactly? I will set a timer on my phone.
That is the best way to get a perfect result.
You are like a walking cookbook, Chloe.
I just enjoy the science of cooking.
I think I have everything on my list now.
Let me check my basket as well.
You have a lot of green vegetables in there.
I am making a big green soup tonight.
That sounds very healthy and very boring.
It is actually very tasty with some cream and garlic.
Maybe I will try to make that next week.
My basket is getting quite heavy now.
Let me help you carry it to the exit.
That is very kind of you, Jack.
It is the least I can do for all the advice.
I enjoyed our little shopping session today.
Me too. It was much better than shopping alone.
Do you come to this market every Saturday?
I will start coming every week from now on.
Maybe I will see you here again next time.
I hope so. I might have more questions about onions.
Onions are easy. Just look for the dry ones.
I will remember that for my next trip.
The parking lot is just around the corner.
My car is the blue one near the big tree.
I'm parked just a few spaces away.
Here we are.
Thank you for the help with the heavy lifting.
Thank you for the cooking lesson, Chloe.
I hope your sandwich tastes amazing today.
I'm sure it will be the best one ever.
Don't forget to use the fresh basil.
I have it right at the top of my bag.
Have a wonderful weekend, Jack.
You too, Chloe. Enjoy your green soup.
I will. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. See you around.
Happy cooking.
I will try my best.
I believe in you.
Bye.